bag I'm talking about today is from Wallace. I got this week. It's called the Downtown Crosby Downtown Crossbody, and the colour it's in is called Magnet. It's like a grey blue almost colour. It's very similar to, if you're familiar with the Longchamp, the pliage in gunmetal. They are very similar in colour, and it's a sort of colour that goes really well with neutral clothes. It goes really nicely with whites, denim, beiges. It's quite a neutral colour. The bag is a crossbody that comes with 3 different strap options. So I've got the adjustable crossbody strap on at the moment, and I've also just got hanging one of the shoulder straps that is the chain link one. It's actually metal with the same colour leather, the magnet leather, interwoven throughout the chain links, so it does create quite a dressy look if you want to wear the bag in the evening. I purchased this bag primarily for casual wear, even shopping when you want to be hands-free. Also great for travel. The bag measures 9.75 inches wide and 8.75 high, with a depth of about 1.25 inches, although I think it's a little bit wider now, deeper at the moment, completely full. It has 4 pockets on the outside. The front pocket is quite a narrow pocket, it's not deep at all. I would keep Metro cards, Opal card, anything you need to access quickly. A parking card if you're going to a shopping centre where you get parking cards for quick, easy access, I'd keep that there. This pocket is a little bit deeper, it's got a bit of depth to it, so I keep my iPhone 8 Plus in here. The iPhone 8 Plus also does fit in this front pocket, although it's not as handy to get in and out of. And it also fits in a couple of the other pockets as well as the main section. So I keep that in there on its own just for really easy access if I hear it ring. This is another quite a flat pocket. I would keep a passport and boarding cards in here if I was travelling, or some paperwork. On the back there is another pocket again. This is another flat pocket. The iPhone Plus 8 does fit inside here. You could also keep paperwork or your passport if you're travelling in there. Just show you how beautiful the quilted fabric, nylon fabric is. This is waterproof, perfect for travelling, perfect for rainy conditions, or if you're travelling where there's snow. There's nothing really to worry about with this very practical bag. I'll just show you the main compartment. The zippers, by the way, are very, very smooth. As my other Wallace bags that I've had, they are really good quality bags. Just to also show you the detailing, there are leather little corners there, and all the leather bits have the iconic Wallace red trim. Each zipper end has a leather pull on it with the logo engraved on it. Just showing you inside the main compartment now. So I have sunglasses in this pocket. 2 pockets that are open, they're leather trimmed. I have tissues in that pocket. I've got an LV pouch which is quite full. That fits quite comfortably in the main compartment. It also fits very comfortably in this section. I have my little mini wallet in here from Kate Spade, and it would fit anything else you needed, like mints. You can put that in the pocket as well. You could fit a very compact umbrella as well, or a very small water bottle. The back of the bag has a zippered pocket which is also leather trimmed. It's got the MZ Wallace logo there as well. Inside the zippered pocket there are 2 additional small pockets as well as a deeper pocket. The bag comes with its own little marker purse which has a D-ring attached to it, and inside the bag there is a strap which you can attach that to. I haven't used this yet. It also comes with a little dust bag which I haven't opened yet as well. I'm just going to show you the different strap options now. So I'm currently wearing it with the shoulder strap, with the chain strap hanging just like that for decoration mainly. I'll remove the crossbody now and just show you how the decorative shoulder strap looks on. So it can look like a very dressy bag with this strap, and there is also one other strap that it comes with which I'll attach now. This is the other strap that it comes with. It's another shoulder strap. It is adjustable, and currently I'm wearing it in the middle hole, and I am 5'4.5". I'd like to say 5'5", but technically 5'4.5". So that's just a leather strap. It's got the red trim on it, and that's what it looks like on. Again, this is quite a casual variant of the options for the straps. The bag itself is very, very lightweight. I'll just take the strap off and show you how, if you're traveling, you could actually pack the bag away, and it folds. You could just squash it up like that and pack it away. It's also very handy if you've got a very large tote, say a large Longchamp bag. Place the whole bag in the Longchamp bag to keep you organised. As you know, I'm a bit of a bag lady. I really love MZ Wallace products. Everything I've bought from them has been both functional and the best quality. I do highly recommend this bag. I believe at the moment the colour magnet has sold out online. It did sell out once before, and I was lucky enough to get it the second time that I brought it in. At the moment, looking at the website, it is sold out. It does come in other colours. There's a cream colour, a black colour. The black does have silver hardware if you're not into gold. And there's also a navy colour. I'll put a link down below so you can have a look at it online. Thanks for watching. And just to let you know, I can't believe I've nearly got 1,000 subscribers. So to thank everyone for following me. It's not like I do videos all the time, but I do occasionally put them out. And I do appreciate everyone who watches my videos. So I'm going to do a little giveaway. I haven't decided on the actual product, but it is going to be something from Louis Vuitton. I'm just going to do a little giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, just to thank everyone for your loyalty. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.